My dear students, so in the today's video probably we'll be completing the 2A exercise. Up to 18th question we have done, and there are only around 1 2 3 4 5 questions are left. So let us complete this questions in this video, and if possible we'll head to the next chapter. So the question is, in the right angled triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, angle ACB equal to 30 degree, and AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other sides of the triangle. Okay, so here is the solution. Given angle ABC equal to 90 degree, angle ACB equal to 30 degree, AB is given 8 centimeter. We have to find AC and BC. Okay, so using the trigonometric ratios and the trigonometric ratios of the standard angles. Okay, that is, we know, see, we need to find AC and we need to find BC. We are given with perpendicular. So with the help of this perpendicular and with the help of this angle, we will find these two sides. As we know, sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is theta given to us? 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is what? 8, and hypotenuse, let us consider h only. Okay, sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon h. Take each h that side here, so and 2 that side, so h is equal to 16 centimeter. That means this is 16 centimeter. Now you want to find the value of this BC, so you have two options. Either you use Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, you will get the square of BC, and take the under root, you will get the value of BC. Or else, if you don't want to use that somewhat complicated method, you can go with this method. You have perpendicular, you want base. So here you have one formula in perpendicular upon base, that is tan theta. That is what we did here, no? We were having the perpendicular and we want base. So in perpendicular and base, we were having the sine theta formula. That is why we use sine theta. Okay, we are having perpendicular and we want base, so that is why we are using tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is what? 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 8 upon BC. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon under root 3 equal to 8 upon BC. Take BC that side, root 3, so BC equal to 8 root 3. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, so the 20th question, that is, in the adjoining figure, ABC is a right angled triangle, okay, in which ABC is 90 degree, AB is 6 centimeter, and D is the point on BC produced such that angle ADB is 30 degree, and you have to find CD. Okay, so how to find CD? To find CD, you must have BD and BC, because if you subtract BC from BD, you will get CD. Okay, so BD minus BC, we will get CD. So it is very easy, because this is one right angled triangle and this small one is also a right angled triangle. Okay, so let us first find in triangle. Okay, so let's start with this. To find CD, so let us first take triangle ABC. You have theta, you have perpendicular, you want base. So perpendicular upon base, what formula we use? Tan theta. And theta is 45. So tan 45 is equal to perpendicular, which is AB, and base, which is BC. Okay, so tan 45 we know that is 1. So AB is what? 6 upon BC. Take BC that side, so BC is also equal to 6. So from this thing, you have to notice one thing, or you have to remember one thing. If you have angle 45, no, then whatever your perpendicular will be same as that of base. That means if you have 45 degree, then your perpendicular and your base, they both are always same. Okay, that is what you say in cricket, no? Like if you throw the ball or any ball with the 45 degree, it covers the more distance because of the projectile motion. Okay, so that is why this distance will be equal to this distance. That means how much at the angle of 45, how much you throw up, the distance will also be the more. So that is what, just short explanation. So BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Also in triangle ABD, let us again take We have perpendicular, we want base. Again we will use tan, but theta will be 30 degree. So tan 30 degree will be AB upon BD. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon under root 3 equal to AB upon BD. AB is what? 6. Take BD that side. So BD will be equal to 6 root 3. You got BD, you got BC. So CD will be BD minus BC. 6 root 3 minus 6. Take 6 common. Root 3 minus 1. Final answer. Okay. Okay. So let us do 22nd question. It says that in triangle ABC, that is ABC and DCB, they both are 90 degree right angled triangle, in which B and C, they both are at 90 degree. Okay. And DBC, DBC is given to us 30 degree. Okay. And AC is perpendicular. This AC is perpendicular on this DB. That means this angle is 90. This is also 90. Then if this is 90 degree, then this will also be 90 degree. If DC is 3 root 3 centimeter, then find the length of AB. So to find the length of AB, as given, angle DCB is 90 degree and DC is what? 3 root 3 centimeter. Then first what actually we need this AB. How we will get this AB? That I'll explain you how we'll get this AB. First of all, we are given with this 3 root 3 and you just find this BC, because this is very helpful to us. Okay, so we go on finding the BC. This is perpendicular, this is base, theta is given. So tan 30 degree will be equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon under root 3 and DC is 3 root 3 upon BC. Take BC that side. So it will be 3 root 3 into 3 into root 3. It will give you 9 centimeters. So you got BC as 9 centimeter. Now in triangle BPC, you see BPC, this is right angled triangle. Okay, and if this is the theta, that means in front of theta this will act as a perpendicular. As I tell you every time, in front of theta you always have the perpendicular, and this is the base. So, and this is the hypotenuse, which is 9 centimeter of this triangle, right? This is becoming the hypotenuse of this BPC triangle. Okay, so this is hypotenuse. You go and find the base of it, because with the base will go in this right angled triangle ABP. This will act as a hypotenuse, and you were having the base if you find this side. So to find this side, we are taking this triangle, as we have hypotenuse with us and one theta with us. That is why. So cos 30 degree is equal to PB upon the base upon hypotenuse, PB upon BC. PB we don't have, BC we have 9. Cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2, PB upon 9, take 9 that side. So 9 root 3 upon 2. Now we don't have this angle because we need to find anything. So this is 60 degree. How? Because this full is 90. So 90 minus 30, you will get 60 degrees. So that is what I have written. Angle ABP will be equal to 30 degree. Minus 30 is this 60. Okay. So again, in triangle ABP, now theta we have, base we have. According to ABP, this is the base. So, and we need hypotenuse because 90 degrees here. Okay, theta is here. So this will be perpendicular, which we don't need. We need only hypotenuse and base. So cos 60 degree is equal to BP upon AB. BP upon AB. BP is 9 root 3 upon 2. AB we need cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Take AB that side and 2 that side. So AB equal to 9 root 3 upon 2 into 2. Cancel this 2 with this 2. You will get 9 root 3 as a final answer. So that is how we have completed this exercise. Now you do 21st and 23rd question. They are easy. Okay, I was thinking to solve 21st question also, as I thought you may face the problem. Okay, so the thing is, you're given with in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 60 degree and ACB equal to 45 degree and BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the altitude AD of the triangle. So you are given with this triangle, you have angle ABD as 60 degree and ACD as 45 degree. Okay, and you need to find the altitude AD. Okay, so let us do this. We are given with this BC 10 centimeter. To find AD, we need this AD, According to question, in triangle ADB, as we know that, see, what we want, just go according to it. We need AD and we are given with this the base that is 10 in the 10 centimeter, it is as a whole, but we'll use the tan only because perpendicular and base, this is to find and this is somewhat we are given with. Well, I'll just explain. Okay, so tan 60 degree is equal to AD upon BD. Tan 60 degree is root 3 and AD we have to find, and BD you consider BD only. Take BD that side, root 3 in the denominator, so BD is equal to AD upon root 3. Keep it as it is. Now you come to the another triangle, and in the another triangle, in triangle ADC, we have tan 45 degree equal to what? We'll use tan only because perpendicular and base we want. So tan 45 degree will be equal to AD upon DC. As I already told you, tan 45 is 1. So AD will be equal to DC. Take DC that side, so DC will be equal to AD. That means this side is equal to this side. Okay, now we are given with one thing, that BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Can we write this BC as BD plus DC? So I've written this BC as BD plus DC equal to 10 centimeter. In place of BD, we can we write AD upon root 3, and in place of this DC, we can again write AD equal to 10. Take AD common. So 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 equal to 10. Take the LCM, AD into 1 plus root 3 upon root 3 equal to 10. Take root 3 that side, and this 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. So AD will be equal to 10 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. This is not the, that means appropriate answer. We need to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so how it they have done? Multiply with root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, like that. So okay, so in the numerator and in the denominator it will be a square minus b square. Now multiply root 3 inside, so 10 bracket, this root 3 into root 3 will get 3, and this you will get root 3, okay, upon, what is this? Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1, what? 2. Now you cancel this 2 with this 10, so what you will get? 5 bracket 3 minus root 3 centimeter. So this is the appropriate answer. Okay, so that's it for today. Now you do question number 23rd. I expect you will do it. In the next video, we'll start the next exercise with the fresh start. Okay, till that, study well. Best of luck for your test. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.